support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
We got our next guest with us. Go ahead and introduce yourself and tell us about your company.
Yeah, hello everybody. I'm Eric Acella. I'm from Italy, but I have a company based in Switzerland.
Okay.
And we are in the digital health world. I'm a physiotherapist, and we developed a solution for the patients.
Okay.
Because we have a big problem because the patients don't do the exercises at home. And so what happens, I have a little story to tell you.
So basically we're talking about physical therapy at home, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
What happened with our company? I'm a physiotherapist, and one of our co-founders was suffering from a severe back pain.
Right.
And so I assigned him some exercises to do at home, but he wasn't comfortable to do them alone at home because he was scared to do something wrong. So we had to find a solution. And so we developed this application. It's an app that you can download on your smartphone or computer or any device. And how does it work? Just with the camera of your smartphone or computer, it can track your movement, and it can correct you live while you are exercising.
Well, that's interesting. So it actually watches you, and it knows the exercise you're supposed to be doing.
Yeah.
So if you're laying on the floor, I had a very bad back injury in 2004 and was lucky to continue to be able to walk. But my physical therapy in clinic was only 6 weeks, but then for like 2 years I did my own physical therapy. And a lot of it was on the floor. So how does the app, if the person's on the floor, or if because sometimes maybe they're going to be on a ball or whatever it may be.
Yeah.
So how do you work those different scenarios?
So it works like this. You run the app, okay, and you start a live session, and there is a calibration with the gyroscope of your phone, and so you need to tilt your phone. And when you reach the right inclination, you put on the floor, and just with the camera, without any additional equipment, it can track you. And if you have a ball to do some exercises for the back, it's okay, because we trained the artificial intelligence for specific diseases. Like now, for example, we are working with chronic low back pain,
right? And
we did many exercises for this problem, and so you put your phone on the floor, and it sees you, and you can enjoy, and you can exercise.
So do you do this in conjunction then with your physical therapist to set which exercises you're doing, or is it a broad spectrum of exercises that are specifically for lower back pain?
So it works like this. We have 3 lines of products. We have one product dedicated to physiotherapists, and we have 2 interfaces. One interface is for physiotherapists, so they can choose the right exercises for you.
Yep.
And then they will send to your application, and you will find
the list, right?
Yeah. And we have also 2 more products, one for insurances and one for pharmaceutical companies.
Wow.
What we are doing, we are selecting the diseases where exercises is needed, and we are creating packages of exercises so that they can assign to their clients, or they can send besides their drugs in the pharma company, and so that they can exercise with these packages of exercises.
That's interesting. So how does it work then with the pharma companies? What is their role? Is this to prevent prescription abuse, or what's the role on working with the pharmacies?
Yeah, what we have in mind, and we have an open dialogue with a few pharma companies, is to provide some application for the patient journey. That is something very important for the pharma company, and
right.
many companies are investing in this sort of solution. And so what we would like to do with the pharma company, we would like to send them a few datas to understand if they are taking their drugs, and so that they can monitor what is happening with the patient. But we are doing this not with personal data, but what we would like to do is to send just anonymous code, so that they knows that for that drugs they are taking more boxes and they are taking drugs and they are using it. So we would like to give to the patient something very useful, but also something very useful for the pharma companies.
Interesting. Yeah, that's a tricky one though, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit, but I do like the ability for, because normally I think if I remember correctly, I was sent home with like 3 sheets of paper.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, with here, you know, it showed you the position you're supposed to do for each exercise, you know, and the motion you're supposed to do. And I think I remember that. I think I probably lost that paper within a week. Yeah. So that's probably, you know, that.
Yeah, I can show
sure.
maybe a screen of the application. So it works like this.
It just right here's the dot.
Okay, it works like this. This is the application. Your physical therapist send you the exercise you have to do. You know the reps and the sets you have to do.
Yep.
And for example, before starting exercising, you have the video tutorial like this one. Place your device on no, wait.
Oh yeah. It basically it actually will demo the actual exercise then.
Yeah, there is the tutorial, so it explains how it works, and so that you have the video of the exercises.
Awesome. How long have you guys been working on this?
We incorporated in 2022.
Okay.
But we are working on this project from the 2020.
So is it on market today? Is it available today?
Not yet on the market. We are we want to enter the market this year, and we are running clinical trials in Switzerland with 2 hospitals, and we are looking for investors and partners that can help to enter the market and also to discover the US market,
right?
And to maybe find some research collaboration because right now we are a class 2A medical device.
Okay.
But of course, in US, we need to apply for the FDA and we need evidences. So
that's right.
We are running a few clinical trials.
The good old FDA here slows everything up.
Yeah,
it makes it very expensive. But if it's for the safety of the patients too, tell me where they can find more information. What's the website?
The website is www.allimb.com. ALLAMB.
Okay, so that's awesome. ALLAMB. AMB.com.
Yeah.
All right,
yeah,
awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming on. Congratulations. Good luck with your app.
Thank you very much.
And hope you find some folk to integrate with here in the United States as well.
Yeah.
And I was over in the Swiss section yesterday. I didn't see you, so I must have walked right by you.
Oh, yeah. You can come later.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Awesome.